Good afternoon. My name is Ahmed Omar, and I'm the head of the customer experience practice in EAN Enterprise. I have today with me Sanjay Gupta, the VP and the MD of NICE Middle East and APAC. I think it's a good moment of our partnership history to talk a little bit about how did we enrich each other when it comes to the market offering and the positioning that we've done between EAN Enterprise and NICE.
Well, I still recall the first interaction that we had with EAN Enterprise and back then Etisalat Digital, and how long way we have actually come in just short period of almost 20 months or so. It's been an exciting journey. We have made a lot of investments together in the market. We're putting up our infrastructure, and not just that, we have acquired a very good set of logos in this market, over 24 set of customers. So very exciting and very enriching experience so far.
It is indeed, and we've seen this is the way to lead the customer experience revolutions. So I said in specific verticals that really touch the consumers and people's life. And I believe now with the new trends of AI injected to personalize the customer experience towards the consumer, how is the play of NICE in the roadmap of the products when it comes to the artificial intelligence?
So Abdi, NICE always is taking pride in leading the change in the marketplace when it comes to technology and in customer experience. We've been doing it for over 4 decades. When it comes to innovation, NICE is a forefront, as I said, so we are leading the change. I think we are the only company who is really going ahead when it comes to AI in CX. Everything that we do has an AI element into it. Starting with the fundamental core of the product, unified solution that we have that runs a proprietary AI engine, and we have the largest data set of customer experience with us over 4 decades. So we are making sure that whether it's workforce management or agent assistance or self-service or anything that we do as part of this unified experience is AI infused.
This is where the importance of these partnerships comes in the picture. We are complementing such state-of-art technology. The top layer, the choice of the customer, comes with really a deep expertise of how to implement and get the best out of it. I think it's very important to tackle the customer's requirements based on the specific vertical, industries, and even business use cases to get the best ROI of these implementations. And we, as EAN Enterprise with NICE, been always in fronting such expertise in the market, injecting people in the consultation phase of the solutions, helping the customers in the buying decision to buy the right solution or the right modules, and of course implementing this to the best practice and the best use of the application. I think this is where I would like to hear from you more. How could this new segment or vertical really take the best out of it on the long run, especially maybe in the healthcare? And
yeah, no, absolutely, Abdi, and you touched upon a good point here that every single vertical is important, right? And we are really going ahead and serving those customers. The traditional verticals, of course, banking, insurance and everything else, they are quite customer focused, telcos, but we are seeing that today every business, the only differentiation really is customer service. I think overall, if you think about today, every organization is looking at growing and acquiring customers through digital channels, serving them through digital channels and creating that lifetime value. And we are right there as a combination between EAN Enterprise and NICE.
It's super exciting, to be honest, especially with these type of companies. And I think it's worth mentioning to the audience that when you start digital from day one, you really ensure that you will get the maximum lifetime value of your customers. I always talk about the 4 rights: getting your right persona of the customers through the right channel that would like to be there, with the right content that really address their inquiries or needs, and of course the timing should always be perfect, so it should be the right time as well. And to see such new vertical adopting such heavyweight technologies in terms of technology aid, innovation and creativity powered by the AI in the early stages of their growth, it's very impressive, which means we're really defining now the new role of the game with these players, not only to the traditional ones. Let's talk a little bit about the roadmap of the products, what you guys are hiding behind the sleeves, what you are guys keeping the industry and the market excited for.
So at NICE, innovations are constant, as I mentioned before, and we invest significantly in R&D, as a company, and we're continuously growing in that area. So if you think about today, every 3 months we come out with new releases. For example, just in our last release, we introduced almost 6,000 new feature and functionalities on our platform. And being SaaS, it's available for all customers to use it from day one. So we'll continue to innovate that way. We are also partnering with some of the organizations to co-create some of the new feature functionalities with respect to a particular vertical. Especially startup companies, they're very, very excited to work with us on those. So we will continue to work in this direction and harness the power of the data that we have with us, because end of the day, if you think about AI, data is the power, and NICE has the largest label data set with us. We are very heavy in educating the customers in terms of how their AI journey and roadmap should be, what they can deploy today in short term and medium term and long term, and really starting with basics, which is around setting their knowledge and everything else, so that they are able to really take the advantage of this power as AI. On top of it, I think what's also important is, apart from technology, is the adoption. And therefore our consulting services, our value realization services are really making a big difference when customers are doing heavy migration and big transformation towards digital or to cloud. This handholding, which comes with the experience that we have in running the several workshops and consulting workshops, is really helping the customers get the ROI of all the investment that they're doing. So it's a combination of both, really. Technology will keep evolving, but it's about how soon you are able to get that value for the customer is super important, right?
I think this is the power of this partnership, where we complemented also with the value realization concept. I think it's an important aspect of how soon would you really realize the value that you've been promised for when the solution was deployed. And I think we've learned now over time, it was a very exciting journey to reach up to the level of maturity that we are in right now. But I think the market and ourselves are confident that this is the way to lead. As soon as we will be able to transform the customers or the enterprises KPIs into something tangible that they will see in the numbers, the more credible this partnership will be more and more in the market. So I would suggest, I would really like to see more of these releases of the new features and capabilities exposed to our customers to ensure that the future is bright between all of us. Thank you so much, Sanjay, for being with us here, and we look forward more of these power of partnership sessions.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you so much.